Hi, this is Orlando, the agent here for 1237 Southwest, 131st Place Circle West, here doing a 360 tour here for you. So you can go through the home. When we scroll, when we move forward, we go inside. You can move around by yourself in the screen. Just swipe up, down, top, bottom, okay, while we're going through. If you're looking for any other property, you can reach me anytime. My info would be listed below. All right, let's go. This is the front of the home. 1237 Southwest 131st Place Circle West. This is a 1438 square feet. You got the landscaping just been newly done. Your iron security gate, and let's step inside. All right, we got the doorbell. There we go. So we're stepping inside here now, and this is your entry over here. Okay, so take a moment, scroll around, look around. Okay. We're gonna go to first the second bedroom over here. Okay. This is the bedroom inside here. This is the closet over here. Big bedrooms. This unit is the atrium model, which is a very rare model on the lake. So then we have a linen closet here. Okay, got a linen closet here, and then I'm going to the bathroom over here. Okay, so let's step inside the bathroom. There you go. I hope all you like this, which makes it very convenient, so you don't have to drive. This is the bathroom in here. So look around. Okay. Now we're going to the living area. Let's go here. This is not going to be here. The dining room. Okay, the dining room over here. Let's go over here to the utility closet. A nice big utility closet. Let's go inside here. Okay. And now let's go to the atrium over here. So this is the atrium. You can design it whatever way you want. You can leave it open. Let's come inside here. This is the atrium. There's the light on top. You can see on top the light comes inside. Okay. Then let's go to the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. So look around the kitchen here. Got your dishwasher right over here. Then the range, stainless steel appliances. All right, this is granite tops, a little wine thing up here on top of the fridge. If you go to on top of the refrigerator. Then let's go to the laundry. Step inside the laundry. Custom build matching cabinets. Okay, let's open up here. Is the water heater over here. Very hot water heater. And let's open up the cabinets over here. You know, now you can see that. Let's go, open up the cabinets over here. A lot of storage. Ideal ideal laundry room. Okay. Let's get out of here. Now let's go to the other living areas here. Let's go to the living room. Now while you're here in the kitchen, real quick, if you could just look outside there to the patio. There's an umbrella that fell, so gotta pick that up with the wind. Then here we go. This is the living area here. So you can look around here now. Let's look around here. Very big. Now let's go to the master bedroom over here. Master bedroom. And take your time. Look around here. Wake up in the morning on a Sunday morning, eating some breakfast in bed, overlooking the lake view. Okay, there's the lake view there. So let's go to the master bathroom. This is the master bathroom. So take your time, look around here. You got the tub, all custom. Okay, let's go to the walk-in closet. And here's your walk-in closet. So take your time there, and that wraps up the tour. Actually, of the inside. Let's go to the outside here now. Most important part here, the patio. So let's step outside. You can hear the peacefulness over here, the lake. All right, there you go. That wraps it up. Well, hope you guys enjoy it. Submit an offer. Won't last. All right, guys.